Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
You know that feeling you get when you miss something by mere inches? It can be frustrating, right? Well, when driving, it's not always a bad thing. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what happens when the margins play in your favor. Buckle up, this is gonna be a bumpy ride. Peter was driving his brand new Model Y in Denver, Colorado. He'd taken delivery of the car the day before, so he was happy to spot a fellow Tesla owner on the highway. Little did he know that this Model 3 owner would nearly give him a heart attack. It looks like the Model 3 could have been on autopilot and may have misinterpreted the white dirt or paint on the road as a lane marker. This almost sent the car into the concrete barrier. Alternatively, maybe it was human error and autopilot saved the day with a correction? Leave a comment and let us know what you think. It was an epic save though, avoiding both the wall and the SUV in the right lane. YASSIN was driving his Model 3 on a highway in Belgium when he saw a Porsche Taycan in the rearview mirror. He didn't have to look very closely to get a good view of the new electric Porsche because it squeezed itself between him and a truck to take an exit. It's a great looking car though. SONYA from Blackfoot, Idaho was driving her Tesla at 5:30 a.m. one dark morning in October. Autopilot was engaged when she suddenly met this guy on the road. She says she's not sure which of them was more startled. She's just glad they didn't get any closer, but she did mention that he had a nice rack. SONYA also said she is uncertain if it was Autopilot or herself who made the evasive maneuver. It all happened so fast, and the first thing she saw were its eyes. Bernie and his wife were driving home from a relaxing day at the coast. It was a pleasant drive and the first time he had driven their 3-month-old Model Y with enhanced autopilot engaged. His cruise speed was set at 55 miles per hour. Watch what happened when they were about 5 miles from home. Autopilot activated emergency braking, avoiding what could have been a tragic accident. James was driving his Model 3 in Virginia Beach when he spotted this SUV being driven by a young teenager who was on her phone. Luckily, the other driver noticed the SUV and managed to stop in time. James informed a police officer in a nearby parking lot, but he decided not to do anything about it. Noah was driving in his dad's Model 3 with his parents in White Plains, New York, when they witnessed a flying squirrel falling onto the highway in front of them. The squirrel then jumped up, dashed across the leftmost lane and under the highway divider, barely avoiding an oncoming SUV. This next video is from a Model Y owner who was driving home to Denver one night. From the corner of his eye, he saw something hopping. The next thing he knew, a deer was running across the road. He slammed on the brakes and adds it was a good thing no one was behind him. This Model X owner was driving in Austin, Texas when he witnessed this dog running across I-35 where the speed limit is 70 miles per hour. You can see the dog's owner chasing after him, but unlike his dog, he stops to check for vehicles before crossing. Jenny and her husband were driving their Model 3 on Highway 69 in Newcastle, Indiana, when they noticed a pickup truck driving erratically and very impatiently behind them. Jenny says he wanted to pass them, but they were passing slower vehicles and couldn't move over safely. The truck driver finally saw a slight opening and passed them on the right. just barely clearing the truck in the lane in front of him as he cut back in front of Jenny. She concludes with this note: "Our Sundays are much more entertaining because we look forward to watching the latest Wham Bam Teslacam videos. Thanks, Jenny." Eddie was driving his Model S on a highway in Pomona, California. Take a look at what happened when he slowed down for a blown-out tire that went rolling across the road. The car behind him got impatient and decided to make an illegal pass in the carpool lane. We can actually see him hit the tire as he's overtaking. In this next clip, the submitter was driving to work in the rain 6 days after getting his Model 3. Take a look at what happened. He had to brake very hard to avoid a collision after this school bus turned in front of him. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Want to see more Teslacam videos? Join the Wham Bam community and become a patron. For the price of buying us a cup of coffee, in the sexy tier you'll give us warm fuzzy feelings while we edit Teslacam Stories. You'll also get early access to new episodes and bonus videos. For the price of buying us a beer, in the performance tier you'll help inspire a sense of humor for our videos. In addition to early access, you'll also get a chance to influence new episodes by voting for the best content. And for the crazy ones out there, for the price of buying us a drink in the ludicrous tier, you'll make us lose our minds with gratitude. In addition to all the other benefits, you'll also have your name immortalized in the credits of each new episode. Patrons of all tiers will also be granted special access to the Teslacam Hub on Discord. The Teslacam Hub is a space we've set up where you can watch videos that are sent in, share videos and stories of your own, discuss them with other patrons, talk about your Teslas, ask questions, and just hang out. With your help, we can make more content and more episodes every week. Join the action.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Cybertruck? My friends all drive diesel, I must make amends.